Today I'm going to show you how to draw a creeper from Minecraft. This is Minecraft. She is one of the most popular mobs in Minecraft. Mob is a monster. So, I have this set of pens, and we will need black, dark green, light green. If you don't have light green, you can just use dark green. Let's start. First, we draw the head. Make it straight. His body. Then his legs. Like that. Then we connect those lines together. Those two lines. And rub this line off. Like that. Then we color in the head. Like that. Then we color in the body. Like that. And now we go into the legs. The legs are quite tricky parts. If you want it, and some people might not have light green, so you color the whole thing in dark green. I just leave it like that. But I have the dark green to outline. Now we go into the dark green, start outlining. If you don't have the light green, then you can just skip this part if you don't want to outline. If you have something wrong with the outline, just rub it off neatly, like this. Let's go into the black. Now we're going to draw his face. Draw a square here, but make sure that it doesn't touch his right corner of the head and the left, because their eyes don't touch the corners. Then you rub off the green and cover the black with black. Do the same with the left eye. Let's make it look a bit similar, like that. Now we draw the mouth. Babies don't actually have a mouth, but I call it the mouth. Now we're done, and I'm just gonna outline this part. Now we're done. If you want to, you can add some details. I'm gonna add the sun, which is cubic. Done. Meet you in my next video. I think that you will make a beautiful drawing, and you can share it with me. Take a photo of your drawing, post it on any social media like YouTube, Facebook, or any other, or ask your parents to post it. Add the hashtag Join with Alisa. I love to see and comment all of your drawings. Thank you for watching. Bye.